Money is everywhere. It's the lifeblood of our daily lives, flowing through every transaction, every purchase, and every financial decision we make. From the moment we wake up to the time we go to bed, money plays a crucial role in shaping our experiences and opportunities. We use it every day. Whether it's buying groceries, paying for utilities, or enjoying a night out, money is an integral part of our routine. It's the medium through which we exchange value and fulfill our needs and desires. It's important to understand how it works. Financial literacy is the key to making informed decisions that can lead to financial stability and growth. By educating ourselves about money management, investments, and savings, we can navigate the complexities of the financial world with confidence. Managing your money well is crucial for a happy life. When you have a clear understanding of your financial situation and a solid plan in place, you can reduce stress and focus on what truly matters. Budgeting, saving, and investing wisely can pave the way for a secure and fulfilling future. Without it, you'll always struggle. Financial mismanagement can lead to debt, anxiety, and a constant feeling of being overwhelmed. It's essential to take proactive steps to avoid these pitfalls and create a stable financial foundation. Taking control of your finances is empowering. When you have a handle on your money, you gain a sense of freedom and autonomy. You can make choices that align with your goals and values, and you can seize opportunities that come your way. This essay will teach you how to master your money. You'll learn practical strategies, from setting financial goals to creating a budget, from understanding credit to investing for the future. We'll cover all the essential aspects of personal finance. These strategies are easy to follow. With a step-by-step approach, you'll find that managing your money doesn't have to be complicated or overwhelming. Simple, consistent actions can lead to significant improvements in your financial health. You can achieve financial freedom. Imagine a life where you're not burdened by debt, where you have the resources to pursue your passions and dreams. Financial freedom is within reach, and it starts with taking control of your money today. Let's get started on this exciting journey. Together, we'll explore the tools and techniques that can transform your financial life. By the end of this essay, you'll be equipped with the knowledge and confidence to take charge of your financial future. So let's dive in and begin this empowering adventure towards financial mastery. A budget is a plan for your money. It's a detailed outline that helps you manage your finances effectively. By creating a budget, you can see exactly where your money is going and make informed decisions about your spending and saving habits. This is the first step towards achieving financial stability and reaching your financial goals. It helps you track your income and expenses. With a budget, you can monitor your cash flow, ensuring that you are not spending more than you earn. This tracking is crucial for identifying areas where you might be overspending and where you can cut back. It also helps you plan for future expenses and save for big purchases or emergencies. Start by listing all sources of income. This includes your salary, any freelance work, rental income, and any other sources of money you receive regularly. Knowing your total income is essential for creating a realistic budget. Make sure to account for all sources, no matter how small, as they all contribute to your overall financial picture. Then, track where you spend your money each month. Categorize your expenses into fixed costs, like rent or mortgage, and variable costs, like groceries and entertainment. This will give you a clear picture of your spending habits and help you identify patterns. Keeping track of your expenses can be done through various methods, such as using a budgeting app, maintaining a spreadsheet, or even writing it down in a notebook. Are you spending more than you earn? This is a critical question to ask yourself. If your expenses exceed your income, it's a sign that you need to make some changes. Overspending can lead to debt and financial stress, so it's important to address this issue as soon as possible. Review your expenses and see where you can make adjustments to bring your spending in line with your income. You need to cut back. Look for areas where you can reduce your spending without significantly impacting your quality of life. This might mean cutting out unnecessary expenses, such as subscription services you don't use, or finding cheaper alternatives for things you need. Making small changes can add up to significant savings over time. Identify areas where you can reduce spending. This could include dining out less frequently, shopping for groceries more strategically, or cutting back on entertainment expenses. By being mindful of your spending, you can find ways to save money without feeling deprived. It's all about making conscious choices that align with your financial goals. This might involve eating out less, Preparing meals at home can be a great way to save money and eat healthier. Plan your meals in advance, make a shopping list, and stick to it. Cooking at home doesn't have to be time-consuming or complicated. There are plenty of simple and delicious recipes you can try. You might buy fewer clothes. Consider adopting a minimalist approach to your wardrobe. Focus on quality over quantity, and only buy items that you truly need and love. This not only saves you money but also reduces clutter and makes it easier to get dressed each day. A budget gives you control over your finances. It empowers you to make informed decisions and take charge of your financial future. By sticking to your budget, you can achieve your financial goals, whether that's paying off debt, saving for a vacation, or building an emergency fund. Remember, a budget is not a restriction. It's a tool that helps you live within your means and create the life you want. Saving is setting aside money regularly. It's crucial for your financial future. Start small, even with a few dollars each week. Consistency is key. Consider setting up automatic transfers to a separate savings account. This makes saving effortless. You won't even miss the money. Over time, your savings will grow. This will give you peace of mind. An emergency fund is essential for unexpected events. These events could be job loss or medical bills. Aim to save 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. This fund acts as a safety net. It prevents you from going into debt when unexpected costs arise. Start building your emergency fund today. It's one of the most important steps you can take. Section 5. Conquering Debt, a step-by-step guide. Debt can be overwhelming. It can feel like a heavy weight on your shoulders, making it hard to see a way out. But don't worry, with a structured approach, you can take control of your financial situation. It's important to manage it effectively. The first step is to get organized. Gather all your financial documents, including bills, credit card statements, and loan agreements. This will give you a clear picture of your current situation. Start by listing all your debts. Write down the name of each creditor, the total amount owed, the interest rate, and the minimum monthly payment. This will help you understand the full scope of your debt. Note down interest rates and minimum payments. This information is crucial because it will help you prioritize which debts to tackle first. Generally, it's a good idea to focus on high-interest debts, as they cost you more over time. Create a plan to pay off your debts systematically. This could involve setting up a budget to ensure you have enough money to cover your monthly expenses and debt payments. Consider using a budgeting app to track your spending and stay on top of your finances. Focus on one debt at a time. This can make the process feel less overwhelming and help you make steady progress. Choose a debt to focus on and put any extra money you have towards paying it off. Consider the debt snowball method. This involves paying off your smallest debts first, regardless of the interest rate. The idea is that by quickly eliminating smaller debts, you'll gain a sense of accomplishment and build momentum. Pay off the smallest debt first. This creates momentum. It keeps you motivated. As you pay off each debt, you'll feel a sense of relief and accomplishment, which can encourage you to keep going. Remember, every small step you take brings you closer to financial freedom. Section 6. Investing Basics, Growing Your Wealth. Investing is essential for long-term financial growth. It's how you make your money work for you. Start by learning about different investment options. Consider low-cost index funds. They offer diversification. Diversification reduces risk. Remember to start small and gradually increase your investments. Patience is key in investing. Section 7. Avoiding Financial Pitfalls. There are common financial mistakes to avoid. These include overspending and relying on credit cards. Avoid impulse purchases. Live within your means. Don't fall into the trap of get-rich-quick schemes. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Building wealth takes time and discipline. Section 8. Seeking professional advice. If you're overwhelmed, seek help from a financial advisor. They can provide personalized guidance. They can help you create a plan. A financial advisor can answer your questions. They can provide support. Don't be afraid to ask for help. It's a sign of strength, not weakness. Section 9. The Journey to Financial Freedom. Mastering personal finance is a journey. It requires effort and commitment. Stay focused on your goals. Celebrate your progress along the way. Remember that financial freedom is attainable. It's within your reach. By taking control of your finances, you can achieve your dreams. Section 10. Your path to a secure future. In conclusion, mastering personal finance is crucial. It empowers you to live a more secure life. By following these strategies, you can achieve your financial goals. Start today. Take control of your money. Build a brighter future for yourself and your loved ones.